Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ram 2500 versus GMC 2500 HD. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with what powers these heavy-duty trucks. Ram gives you a choice between a powerful 4-liter Hemi V8 or a robust 7-liter Cummins turbo diesel. GMC counters with its own strong 6-liter gasoline V8 or the legendary 6-liter Duramax turbo diesel. Each option provides serious capability for your toughest jobs. When it comes to hauling, both trucks are built to perform. The Ram 2500, especially with its diesel engine, can tow nearly 20,000 pounds, making light work of heavy trailers. The GMC 2500 HD steps up, offering a maximum towing capacity exceeding 22,000 pounds. Payload capacities also differ, so consider your specific needs when choosing the right configuration for your work or adventures. Inside, both trucks offer a blend of ruggedness and refinement. Ram often impresses with its available 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen, providing a modern and intuitive experience. GMC's cabin focuses on premium materials and advanced infotainment, ensuring a comfortable and connected ride. You'll find ample storage and comfortable seating in both, designed to make long days on the road more enjoyable. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience and value. The Ram 2500 is often praised for its coil spring rear suspension, which can offer a surprisingly smooth ride for a heavy-duty truck. The GMC 2500 HD, while also comfortable, prioritizes a robust and capable feel, ready for any challenge. Pricing varies widely based on trim and options, so explore both to find your best fit. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.